Today I wanted to let you know that I've now launched memberships on this channel where the goal is to provide you with as much value as possible for the lowest price possible. The memberships are 99 cents per month, and if you join you will become a Padawan, which is essentially the name of the first level, and that comes from the fact that I really like Star Wars, in case you never noticed the posters behind me. And essentially, if you become a Padawan, you will get different perks to help you with your print on demand business. First of all, I will give you early access to trend related videos. I usually have them scheduled at least a day beforehand, and I will give out the link to every member so you can be early to those trends before everyone else sees me discuss them. And secondly, you will have priority replies to your comments. So as I get more and more comments on my videos, it's harder and harder to respond to everyone all the time, and you will have a little badge next to your name as a member which will indicate to me that I have to get back to you first. The third perk, which in my opinion is the most valuable one, is that you will get access to a Google Drive folder with exclusive members only graphics, which you can use in your t-shirt designs to speed up your design process. I think I've got about 40 or 50 graphics in there right now, and I will be adding more on a regular basis. I will always announce once I've added new ones through a members post on the community tab, and I might even hire some designers to create some really cool graphics for you and add them to that folder as well. So I hope you like these perks. You don't have to join, you can just carry on watching as you are. I appreciate every single one of you if you've watched, liked, or ever commented on a video. But if you do want to support the channel at a very low price of 99 cents and get some perks in return, then I would greatly appreciate if you could join and become a Padawan. If you want to learn how to find better niches, then you definitely want to watch this video next, where I show you how to find niches that will actually get you more sales.